saying to everybody listening here, we want the skinnies on the right, we want the fatties on the left. That's talking to all of you guys. We're talking about the hay bales. What are you guys thinking about? Man, we're not being nothing mean here, but hey, when we load our hay on the wagon, we put all the skinnies to the right, we put all the fatties to the left on the side belt, on the hay bales. That way, whenever we unload them and put them at the hay barn, guy that's putting them in the hay barn, they know all the skinnies are on one side. That way they can load them in a certain way. So I don't know, do you guys do stuff like that? That way it makes it easier to load it in the barn, or you guys just put it in there whatever direction? Let me know. Until next time, God bless.